Welcome to JCI and NAMBOUR
at KAWANA
and at Maroochydore.
G'day, Rydge here from JCI. Today I'm showing you the Jackhammer, just one of our many pieces of equipment. Got test and tag, quality insurance there. Not too sizey, good for getting to your tight spaces. So you've got compass to stand with your chisel and your point. That and that. Good for breaking up concrete footings, getting into tight spaces in your bathroom, stuff like that. Here you got your tile lifter, so pretty much how this one works. Flat blade, onto the crease of the tile, up they go. And great for your vinyl lifting as well. Come on down, check out the gear that we've got. We're located 600 Bli Bli Road. We've also got depots in Maroochydore and KAWANA. Cheers fellas.